The iPhone 17 is Apple's upcoming flagship smartphone expected to launch in 2026. And according to leaks, Apple is preparing one of the biggest upgrades in years, with a new design, better battery life, and powerful performance. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 could get a brand new ultra-thin design, smaller bezels, and possibly no notch or dynamic island at all. Apple may finally introduce an under-display Face ID system, giving us a true full-screen iPhone experience. The iPhone 17 is expected to feature a new LTPO display with higher brightness and smoother refresh rates. Powering the device will be Apple's A19 chip, built on an advanced manufacturing process for faster speeds and better efficiency. Battery life could see a major upgrade thanks to a new stacked battery design. Leaks also suggest faster charging speeds and improved wireless charging, meaning less waiting and more usage. Apple may introduce a brand new camera sensor with better low-light performance, improved zoom, and cinematic quality video recording, making the iPhone 17 one of the best camera phones ever. The iPhone 17 lineup is expected to launch in September 2026. Pricing will likely start around the same as current models, but premium versions could be more expensive. If these leaks are true, the iPhone 17 could be Apple's biggest upgrade in years. Subscribe for more iPhone leaks, tech news, and daily shorts. Thanks for watching.